always, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So today I'm back with another soft makeup tutorial. Okay, if you see me for the first time, my name is Joy. If you're a returning subscriber, okay, come on, get your hug. Thank you for always stopping by. So let's just dive into today's video. I'll be starting today's look with a moisturizer, and this is what I'll be using to moisturize my face. It is from Neutrogena. Today is there. Okay. Now that the skin feels so good, let's move to foundation application. What's that? I have to be careful not to make myself dark because today my skin is exposed and I have lighter body. My face is actually darker than every other part of my body. So let's blend. And please do not forget our foundation rule. Whatever that is left on the foam, on the sponge, or on the brush goes under the eye and on the forehead. Okay? To contour my face, I will be doing just a little bit of contour because this foundation is beginning to oxidize, meaning it's beginning to get darker. So just a little. And we will be fine. Not much. When you notice that your foundation is oxidizing after applying it, you can skip this contour part. Yes, if you notice that it's getting way too darker, because if you go ahead to contour, everything is going to look too dark. You can skip it and then use powdered contour or use your bronzer, as I just said. Okay, so for blush, I'll be going with red, but not much, just little. So let's blend. So highlight, this is the concealer I'll be using, adding that on the places where I need light, but still little products, please. Emphasis on the little products. Let's blend. Starting with here. I'm always very careful with this my forehead, because if you don't blend it well, it will be shiny. So let's blend it under. I am done blending, so let's set. Make sure that the under eye is properly blended to avoid creases. Okay, let's set. I'm done setting the whole face, so it's time for my brows, and you guys already know I will do that off the camera and I will be right back. And if you're struggling with your brows, there will be a card here. Follow the link and watch so that you master how to do your brows perfectly. So see you. And I'm done with my eyebrows. So for eye, I'll be going for a soft smoky eyeshadow. Yes, I know you might be thinking that a smoky eye cannot be soft. That's not true. A smoky eye can still be soft. Okay, so we're going for soft smoky eyeshadow, and I think we're going for brown or dark red. Let's see. Okay, stay with me. So I'm done with the eyeshadow placement. As you can see, you see that it is smoky and it is soft, very soft. Don't forget to line the upper part of the eye. Take your eye up, then you line. Okay, while we are waiting for the eyelash glue to get tacky, I think we should continue with other things. So let me add powder blush while I wait for my lash glue to get tacky. Okay, for the blush. You know I'm a blush girly, so but I don't want to overdo anything. So I'm done with the eyelash, so let's move to the lace. So for the lace, let's line with the pencil, David's pencil. I'm done with lining. For the color of lip tint I'll be using this. I've had this lip tint for a very long time. I hope it's still okay. Smack. Let me blend with my lip blending brush. This is my lip blending brush. You should get a soft one if you don't have. And I'm done with the lips. I hope it is okay like this. Yes, I love my lips matte. I don't know, I love my lips matte. So let's move on to setting spray. Let's set. This spray falls like water, falls like rain. Oh my god. I set my whole body, not only the face. So let's allow this to dry. The setting spray has dried. Now let's brighten the under eye. Let's brighten the under eye. Okay. To spice up the look. A little bronzer here and there. And I really don't like having highlighter here. I don't know why, but let me just add. And so my lovelies, this is what we created. Very beautiful, very demure. This look can fit in for any occasion. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. Aha. So look what we created, guys. Very beautiful, very demure. Everything is the way it should be. Nothing is too much, nothing is not seen. Nothing is sitting on the skin. Yes, everything is as if it came with the skin. It blends in. It did not sit. It's blended in. Can you see that? And thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me in the comment section. If you have any issue with your makeup, please drop it for me in the comment section. I'll see what I can do about it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye. Bright, it's showing shadow, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight. The toe wheels that shine like stars in the night. Joy and shadow, where beauty meets the vibe. Your makeup